Are you trying to get the longest Shopify free trial possible? You're in the right place because I'm going to be showing you how you can get a Shopify free trial for 120 days completely free. Forget the old promos. This one works, but only through the special link down below in the video description or in the pinned comment section down below. Do not go directly to Shopify or you'll be stuck with this short trial. So, step one is simply click the top link down below in the video description. You want to make sure to use a fresh email, a brand new email that hasn't been registered with Shopify, and you want to make sure to click on Start Free Trial. So you put in your email address and click on Start Free Trial. Next up, you want to basically secure and create a password, and you can create your Shopify account for free by clicking on the Create Shopify account. And basically what we're doing is we're going to be getting a 90-day free trial of Shopify. And next, this is going to be the most important step, by the way, guys. You need to activate your Shopify account to basically get the 90-day trial and to basically get the 120-day trial, which I basically showed you during the start of this video. I'm going through the method and how all this works. But basically, you need to have a 90-day trial, and you need to basically click on one of these plans right here. So I'm just going to go choose basic for an example. And then basically just want to put in your information. And then you can basically click on subscribe. Now you won't get charged until after your free trial ends. And when you do get charged, it's just going to be $1. So you basically get 90-day Shopify trial for basically $3, so $1 per month for 3 months. That's pretty much it, right? So this is the most important step. So first and foremost, click top link down below, sign up, and then once you get to this step, basically you choose a plan and then you basically sign up and activate your Shopify account. So that's pretty much the most important step. And like I said, you won't get billed until the trial actually finishes. So once your 90-day trial is active, this is how you get the Shopify 120-day trial. You need to head over to Shopify Help Center, which is going to be looking something like this. And then basically you want to use this script right here to message support. And in order to message support and to basically get them to extend your 90-day trial to a 120-day trial, you need to actually have an active plan that's actually with a paid plan. Again, you only get charged after your free trial. And you basically want to ask them to extend your 90-day trial to 120 days. That's personally what I did to get the Shopify 120-day trial. And I have this template right here, which I'm also going to be leaving in the video description down below for your convenience. You copy and paste this, obviously customize it a little bit, and then you just basically paste it into support, and then they'll obviously reply back and get back to you via email. In my case, I was able to get the 120-day trial. A lot of people that we know were able to get it as well recently, so it works very, very well. So that's pretty much it. So click the top link down below. Normally within 24 hours, your trial should be extended to 120 days. That's personally what happened for us. And you just need to basically make sure to click the top link down below and do all the steps we mentioned in today's video. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching today's Shopify free trial 120 days video.